Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia. And it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday. Let me share this to start with. So, welcome to this live Forex analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other, and we're not financial advisors. So, please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure and a little bit about us as live session traders. All right, let's go have a look at some of these pairs. There we go. Okay, so AUD CAD been sort of just flipping around in the one spot. I'm not really, we'll see how we go. We'll potentially get into that buy and into the sell. Okay. At the moment, I'm not really. We'll see what happens here. It's comes down to the trend bar and then bounce off. But it looks like it's still buying at the moment. Okay, ADCHF. I'm on the sell on this one, and it's still in that sell. So I'll have a look and see where it comes to, and then get out of that trade. AUD just looking at that one at the moment to get into the buy. But that I'll do, we could get a change here though, so I'm sort of a little apprehensive at this at the moment. Okay, AUD not willing to trade at this point. Potentially the sellout, right? So we've got this at the moment, but look, it's a very unpredictable pair, this one, but things are going in the right direction at the moment. Yeah. So Tom's probably already in this trade, but we'll see. We can come back to that anyway. Good day, Top. Oh, okay. So,
Hello.
oh, hello. How are you?
Good.
Oh, that's good. No worries. Um,
Oh shoot, you're already you DNCD, okay.
I'm already down the
It's
line a
only
little bit. We
it's
can go
it's
back
been
up.
3 minutes, man.
Yeah, 4 minutes. Yeah. Oh, I'll miss on time. Let's go from the top again then. AD CAD, I'm not in, haven't, like this. I'm not, it's just jumping around a fair bit. We'll just see. I'm looking for more of this longer term sort of push up with that. ADCHF, I'm in for the sell and I'm up at the moment. It's still selling, but at some point we'll be getting out of it. Hopefully maybe into a bit of buy. We'll see. ADJPY is potentially into a buy. As I said, it's a bit choppy, so I'll just wait until I get back or the market changes over from New York to Sydney. And then AUD are you already in the sell?
No, no, I'm not in any A's.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll look at it potentially to break that there. Okay, AUD Singapore, I'm in, and I'm down at the moment. I'm waiting for it to come back up. So hopefully it doesn't hit my stop loss, which is I put quite substantially. So we'll see. And if it does, it does. If not, I'm in for the buy. Ooh, I'm a bit tired. Okay. AUD USD, I'm in for the sell. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah, and I'm in a slight amount of profit at the moment. So you're not in that one, Tom. Oh,
No.
no. Does your green line say it's going down or?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm looking for something different here is all. I'm looking for a short push, not beat your bottom fib, pull back
Yeah.
up, and then I'm getting in at the 50% line.
Okay. Oh yeah. Just something a different way of doing it. That's fair enough. CAD CHF. Oh, okay. Well, the long position on that one. Let's see. It does that. We do that. Okay. And we look at that. Right. That's worth it. Okay. Come back to this one then. All right. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. I may put the stop a bit bigger, but well, that's my initial anyway. So, KJ, you'll tell us if you're in any of them, won't you, Tom?
Yeah, I'm in CAD CHF. I'm not in anything till then.
Oh, you're in CAD CHF.
Yeah.
Oh, you in it for the buy?
Oh no, I'm sorry, CHFJPY. I
Oh,
apologize.
okay. Sorry. All right, KJ, not. Okay,
Nope.
and I'm not sure of this one either. I mean, anyway.
I'm
Okay,
waiting
so,
on this one. I'm just waiting on this one.
well, the KJ
Yeah.
for the sell,
For the pullback,
yeah,
because this is going to be a pullback on the higher time frame.
okay.
And the higher time frame says it's rocketing. It's got to break the high to the left.
This one,
No, the uh,
even further
on the daily.
up here.
Yeah, you
Okay,
see where your short is on the daily?
yeah.
Yeah, up there.
Oh, that is, I think, I know it's not. Where is it? Hang on. Ah, it's here. Yeah,
Well, no, because that's not going to line up
that's
correctly
where the
on
that's where the
yours.
short is.
Right. That's where that short is. Yes. Yes, I'll leave
Correct.
it at that.
Well, there's more up here.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Okay,
why I'm
no worries.
saying if you could shrink that down a lot on the daily.
Yeah,
Yeah, you see that up there to your left, that high?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it's for me on the daily and the weekly, it's telling me it's going to beat this high. So this
Okay.
blue line that you have down here on the right telling you it's going to short,
Yeah.
it's there's a chance that line's going to change and
Mhm.
it's going to go into the buy. I have the
Okay.
same line here telling me, oh no, it's going to sell on the lower time frame.
Yeah.
But everything on the daily and everything on the weekly are telling me, dude, this is going to buy. So
Okay.
if I don't catch this short, I don't care.
Mhm. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Oh yeah. CHF JPY, you said you're in
I just got into it.
for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah, daily says it's still pushing. The weekly says it's still pushing.
Yeah.
Uh, and on my lower time frame, that blue line is pushing up. So your line could change with the next break.
Well, it is. Yeah. Yeah, well, the next brick set. Okay.
No, I mean the line, the
Yes.
green
Yes.
line you have. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I know which one you're talking about.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah. 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 Okay. I'm going to wait for the sellout on it if it does. And if it doesn't, who gives a damn?
that's it exactly.
Doesn't matter.
That's it exactly. I only pick trades that are going in the same direction as the two higher time frames.
Yeah. Okay. That's what it sounds like. And fair enough, too. Okay. Now, all these euros are starting to get a bit of strength for some reason. Has the meeting, oh, hang on, I don't know. Has the delegation turned up to Washington? Do you know?
Yes, it happened this morning.
Oh, already.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Mm, okay. I'm waiting to see how the news goes on that. What a lot of drama, I tell you. It's a whole circus. You guys. Not you personally. Sorry.
Oh no, I know exactly what you mean.
Yeah.
Because everyone may be completely different. So I know what you mean. You're talking about the clown shit show.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
We go meet me mate over in Alaska,
right,
the war criminal. And we'll give him whatever he wants.
right.
Oh God. Okay. All right, let's go Euros. Hmm? Now I'm not willing to get into the buy on this because I think it will pull back and then push up. It would have been good to get in back down here, but maybe you did, but we'll see.
No, I'm not in this either.
No, 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 okay.
No.
What yeah? Oh, because it's probably got you do. You're a CAD? Okay, this is time to get in on this one. Time to get in. I was in Eurocad, but I think I was early. Or I got in and it came back and then pushed up. It's like, right, yeah, let's go have a look and see where I'm at. Eurocad, here we go. Right, yeah, let's go for a sellout on this one. Yeah. And at the moment, it's here. And, and we'll do that. 161. There we go. 1 834. Yeah, they'll do us. Well, see what happens there. All right, I'm in there for the sell. Yep. All right, Euro CHF. That also too. This is now where you said the other day you felt it was going to come down to here somewhere and then give the buy.
Yeah, my trade's already set up. I'm just waiting to trigger in.
Okay, that's where I'm at. Rightio. We will do an order. Euro CHF. New order. Whoop, get out of the way. First thing I do is change the lot size. Bloody hell. We want a sell stop. And we wanted it 94102. It's only 7 pips away. Okay. And the stoppie will be 94400. Okay. Oh, again, it changed it. That's what the problem is. Okay. Right. We'll take that. Right. Well, that's in there. CHF, we'll put that there as a setting there. Now, hang on, where's my... That's not it. There, settings. Sorry about this.
Take your time.
No, I'm just... Okay. No. Mhm. Mhm. No. Rightio. So it's nothing I can change. Now, let me just see. No. Okay. Well, yeah. No. Gotta make sure that's what I've got. Okay, no worries. Sometimes when I put an order, it'll just put one lot on, and then you change it. But then if you go and do a different, like from a limit order to a stop order, it changes it back to one lot. Something caught a bit. That's okay. You're okay. You're a GBP. Sorry about that. Let's have a look. That one's a bit. Yeah, price came down here and then it just didn't continue it. So I'll leave that one for the moment. Euro JPY. Not in it?
Yeah.
Okay. This looks crazy to me. Euro NZD. Whoa. Okay. Now, I do think this is going to buy. And so we have a long, but I don't know where we're. I think maybe. See that wick there?
Where?
Over here. It's in the,
Mhm.
it's hard to see. There's a wick up in here.
Mhm.
So I think that will pull down, but if it's going to do it, if it's going to continue up, it's going to have to break that wick. And then you got that. We'll do that. Yeah. So at the moment, it's way down here, all right? Let me put, where we got Euro NZD, yeah? Yes, it is. I'll put an order on this one. And order for a buy stop. And the entry will be 97625. Right. The stop will be 97087. Yeah, that's good. And yeah, that's right. Okay. Euro Singapore. Looks like that's supposed to like keep going. And I think it will. So let's go. Oh, Euro Singapore. I'm going to buy that. One for 9,528. Okay. So that is a buy on that. Let's see what happens. Okay, Euro USD. Are you in any trades, Tom?
I'm in one.
Oh, okay. But
Yeah,
but
I have
you got setups for a whole heap.
I have no, I have two that are for setups.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. This I don't want to play with at the moment.
Uh, Actually, to be quite frank with you, I've not been taking a lot of trades on Mondays and Tuesdays lately.
Okay.
I'm turning into a Tuesday to Thursday trader.
Yeah, and that's fine too.
Yeah, because I notice a lot of these on Monday when we get a push,
Yeah.
we always get a pullback.
Back. Yeah, yeah.
Or the ones you see pushing on Monday into Tuesday stall. And Tuesday to Thursdays, the ones that didn't move on Monday end
Yeah.
up moving later in the week.
Yeah, okay. Hmm.
Monday moves are never huge, typically. So
Typically, that's right.
I'm look at it this way. I'm on the
Oh,
I have
you're Monday now, aren't you?
yeah, it's just Monday morning at noon.
Yeah.
That's why it's like I'm going to give it today, let it start to push tomorrow,
Yeah.
see what's pushing tomorrow, and then
Yeah.
what doesn't push, I'll see about that pushing, and what pushed today and tomorrow I'll look for reversals going the other direction.
Yeah. Well, I reckon an EA would be good on Euro US, Euro USD. But anyway, okay. Uh let's look at the British pounds. I think there's some more opportunities here as well. Look at that. That's that's something that I missed. Should have got in it there. Anyway, I think I don't know, the green line's still going up, but feel there's going to be a pullback here before it pushes up. If it continues, who cares?
Okay, so on the daily, we have a high,
Yeah,
and both daily and weekly are showing push downs.
yeah, yeah, okay.
So on my
Longer term push down.
yeah, however long it takes to get there.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm only matching my trades to what directions are on the
In
daily
the
and the
high,
weekly.
On the higher time frame. Yeah.
So if this says it's going to push down on the daily and the weekly time frames,
Yeah.
my 2 hour time frame on the right is saying we're only coming back to a certain height,
Yeah.
which is those two bricks. Can you shrink down the left
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
hand side?
Yeah.
So you see that? See, do you see that one up there all by itself?
Ah, this one up here.
Right. So it says it's going to pull back up to that and then turn and come down.
Yeah.
Well, when
Okay.
it pulls back up here, all three, this time frame, my daily and my
And
weekly,
it
will
will all
all be
be.
pushing down.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm
At
patiently,
the moment, it's saying, "Oh, up, pull back, up, pull back." You know, but
yeah.
that can change when it
Who
gets
has
up to
bigger
here.
strength, the daily or the weekly?
The weekly overall.
The weekly overall. The
Yeah.
daily's number two.
Yeah.
This is number three.
Three. Yeah.
So I want my number three to be matching my first two.
Yeah. Correct. Well, it just gives you trend direction, doesn't it? Then,
Yeah. And if
but
this
then,
trend direction
yeah,
is right and I'm at a high on the daily and the weekly,
yeah.
dude, this is going to come rip roaring down when it finally turns.
Hmm.
And to get to where I think it's going to turn, currently we're at 200 pips. And that news is about to hit.
Which one? This one.
The inflation rate year over year.
Yeah, it's 20th. That's not till 20th. Yeah.
Well, for me, it's the 19th, which is tomorrow, which is Tuesday.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And
So I'm going
this
to
is
let it do whatever
UK
it's going to do
time.
today. Let it push.
Yeah,
Just keep letting it push. I don't
yeah,
care.
yeah,
Because Tuesday's going to roll into Wednesday. Wednesday's going to turn. We're going to get a
yeah,
pullback, and that pullback's going to come all the way back down to these gold bricks where it started.
yeah, yeah.
Tap the 88.
And then, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it's just a patience game of where you want to get into. Now, since this has
good.
crossed the 618, you should flip your fib over.
Oh, yeah, 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 I do too. And this should come down a little bit. It should come up a little bit. And it should be flipped. You're absolutely, wow. Take the reverse off. It's already gone past 618. It's looking for the 88 now. It could just break up past that anyway.
Exactly. You have no idea.
Yeah.
That's
But
what
as
I'm
I
saying.
said,
I'm
I
only
would have
going in
liked
the
to get
direction.
in. Yeah, I would have liked to have got in down here. I missed it. That's it. It's gone. Next opportunity.
Well, I want the big turn. I'm looking for the
Yeah.
I don't care about these little time frame turns. I'm
Yeah. Yeah.
looking for
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
big turn on the higher time frame.
Yeah. We used
I
to go
mean,
for that. You used to go for those little turns.
yeah, but now I'm looking at not putting small trades on either. I'm looking at putting
Yeah.
some real money on.
Yeah. 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 Audio. All right, let's look. Next ones. See, I would consider still getting into a buy on that, but what I'm seeing over here is pullback already on it. So it's not showing here, but it is over here. Anyway, it's good. I like having anyway, I like having the fact I can see both sets. All right, here we go. GCAD.
Perfect example. We have a high on the daily.
Yeah,
My daily time frame says it's going to buy higher. My weekly time frame says it's going to sell hard.
yeah,
So unless these align, I'm not taking a trade off this,
yeah, okay.
regardless of what it is doing. Because like yours
What do
says, see
you
how it's
what do
going
you
down?
what are you using to say? Oh, you're using the green line to say on the daily and the weekly. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
So what I
Oh
do
yeah.
is I go with my little red fancy pen that
Yeah,
writes,
yeah,
and
yeah,
I change the daily into the weekly, and
yeah,
I trace
yeah,
the
yeah.
green line
Green line. Yeah,
on the
yeah.
weekly. I
Yeah.
go
And
boom,
then
I
you
set everything up on the daily.
Oh, hang on a
Okay.
minute. Let me see. This is what you do. Hang on. So we go weekly.
Grab
Uh,
your writing pen.
hang on, I'm gonna go reset. Yeah. Grab me writing pen. Where the frig is that? Is it this one?
No, it's up at the top near let me see. It's the brush at the square box for your
Oh
rectangle.
yeah,
That one
brush. Yeah.
at the top.
This one.
Yeah. Now just trace your green line.
Oh, oh no, I'm gonna hold it down. Oh,
Doesn't have to be exact.
doesn't it?
No, just slop it on there.
I got a really wobbly mouse.
That's fine. So do I. It's cool. Click out of it with your escape button 3 times
Oh,
because you're going to continue to write on
yeah,
your screen if you don't. Then go to the daily.
yeah. Gotcha. Whoa,
Yep.
whoa. Okay, back here, and the daily's
I don't
going.
trace that one. I can see it. Well, you don't
Yeah,
have it, but okay.
because when it comes back to 2 hours, I'll see it.
Right.
Oh yeah, and then I'll come back to 2 hours. Whoops.
Yeah, that's why I work up the daily time frame, not the 2 hour one.
Right.
See how nothing lines up? Nothing.
No, no. They
So why
come
not
to this
trading this?
point. They come to this point, and they're all over the joint.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm running my 50% box
Yeah.
from the high to the low.
Hang on a minute. How do you get rid of those drawings? Hang on.
Click on it. No, click on the drawing.
Yeah, but they're all different ones.
It doesn't matter. And then delete it. Now take your 50% from the high to the
Hang on. I
low.
gotta see. I got rid of it all. No, it's heaps more. Anyway. Hang on a sec. I gotta reset the chart. Actually, what I'll do is I'm gonna go back to the weekly and see if I've got any more. Yeah, I've drawn that one. Go back to the daily. It's probably easier to do it on the other ones. Yeah, no, that's right. Too early there. Okay, so what do you want now? Oh, you want a fib. Yeah?
Both the fib and the 50%. Yeah.
Yeah.
From the high
Yeah.
behind you.
Oh, you want it from there.
Yeah, because that's the high. Tapped off the 88. Look at that.
Yeah.
So then take your 50.
Hang on. I'm getting there. Yeah, but that doesn't go there, does it?
It does go there.
Okay. There's the 50 there.
And then slide the 50 out to the right. So there you go. So what you're looking for is a breakout of that box, one side or another. So now you're watching those fib lines because these fib lines are going to cross up, cross down, all the way across this box. And then it's going to
No,
hit this 50% line
the
and
trend
go
line. Yeah.
down, 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 down. So by the time you get to the end of your box over here, you're going to have 15, 20 different moves that you could possibly get into. And I just want the one that's going to give me that turn on the higher time frame that's going to drop it 1,000 pips.
Hmm. But as you said, the daily and the weekly aren't
They're
congruent.
not
So
aligned.
no. Okay. Audio, GBP CHF. Let's go look there. That's the same thing here. So what's happening daily and weekly there? Daily, weekly. Weekly saying it's going down, and daily saying it's going up. They don't align either. Okay. But in the shorter term, it's saying, yeah, all right. GBP JPY. What do we got? Weekly going down. Daily going up. Still nothing. Hey? So that's how you're working it. You go like if they're in the same trend
Direction,
direction,
I
okay.
go with it.
What do you have? GN. Mm, Weekly going down. Daily going up. Again, no good. GBP Singapore. Well, that's done that. That's interesting. It's coming off the base here. It came up to that point, or whether that's thing. So let's look weekly. You don't trade this, so it doesn't matter. Weekly is going up, and daily is going up.
Hmm. And what's the
What,
2 hour doing?
what are these lines here? These are weird. What are they doing in there? Anyway, sorry, what's the two doing? Oh, yeah. The two is, well, it's just about to
Says
go
it's going
pull.
up, right?
Well, no, yeah, but it's doing a pullback. Yeah.
So where are you going to put your entry?
Well, I'm actually what I'll do is I'll wait for it to come down to the trend line, trend bar, and then put a buy on, a buy stop.
Put a
I
fib
don't
on,
want, okay.
low to high, because you want to see how far it's going to come back, right?
Well, hasn't
Move it
made it
over.
to hasn't made it to the 88. Oh, sorry.
But that's where it's going. You can see it's going to the 88.
You reckon it'll go further?
Yeah, look where, see the green line up there?
Oh
That's
yeah,
the
yeah,
88.
yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes,
And
yeah.
there's no wick on this one.
And you'll say it'll come back to the 61 and then go back up again, which is this is what it's sort of saying it's going to do anyway.
Anything, now grab your 50. Anything of
Oh yeah, look at that.
anything that bricks below that 50 to push up, I'm buying.
Yeah, yeah.
Because all the daily, all the weekly is telling me it's
Yeah. But
buying.
you don't trade this pair. So
No, but I'm setting up this up for you, so you see what I'm
yeah,
saying.
yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, oh, that's good. And it's easy enough to go look at the weekly daily, bang, bang, job done, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I'll go there. I'll go here. GU. Okay. So what do we got weekly here? That's going up. Weekly is also up and down. Daily is up as well. All right. So they're all
And you got a gold brick.
where on the daily?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I
Do you
do.
have a gold brick on the weekly?
And yeah, well, down here I do, but not currently.
Okay, so where are you going to put your entry?
We go back to the 2 hour. I'm going to wait because this is just pulling back. I'm going to wait for gold brick and then for a buy.
Right. So you have your fib from the high to the low, flipped and reversed, so it's at the bottom.
It's already, I've got it set up big at the moment.
That's fine.
You want it over here now, though.
Yes. And since you everything is going up, everything's
Yeah.
telling you it's going up, flip your fib over.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'm going
And
to
then
do
when it
this.
comes back down into your zone,
Well, it reckons it's going to, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. No worries. Let's have a look here. This.
See those two white boxes you put on there? Delete
Yeah, I
those so it
know.
doesn't confuse you.
Yeah. But I think also too they'll come to that. So, oh,
So again, if you're looking to buy,
mm,
you want to buy stuff that's coming out of the gold bars below that 50 to buy
yeah,
it up.
you buy it up. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, we just got to wait for this to whatever it does here. Okay.
So before you
Because
put a
I think
trade
it'll go
on, look at your weekly and your daily to make sure your trades match.
in the yeah. Okay, that's how you do it. All right, then NZDK.
This is the one I have set up.
Oh God. Okay, hang on a minute. Weekly is reset. Weekly is what the hell is that thing doing out there?
Well, it's going to be disorganized because it's on the weekly time frame. Don't forget.
Oh yeah, but I'll just get rid of it. Okay. Oh, I got rid of that stuff.
That's all right.
Yeah, it's all right. And so it says it's coming down before it goes up,
Right.
and the daily saying it's coming down before it goes back up,
Right.
and the 2 hour says it's going down.
Okay. So go from the high to the low with your fib.
Yeah, from this one
Yep.
to, I would say that one.
That one. Flip it over.
Uh, using, okay, yes, I will flip it over. So you think it'll
Grab
go, oh no, it may,
grab your
let's see what
50%
not.
box. Okay, so let's look what happened.
It came up to 619 and then fell off and then came back up again.
To where?
Not quite the 619.
The 50.
Yeah, it came up to
See the
50. Yeah.
brick touched the 50 right above it?
Yeah, and then dropped
So
off. Yeah.
now I'm looking at this to sell out because everything else says it's going down in the higher time
Oh,
frames.
right. Yeah. Okay. Now I can see.
So
Yeah.
do yourself a favor and drag that box to your left, just all the way to your left, just left hard, hard left, hard. Keep going till you can't even see it anymore. Great, perfect. Now grab your another rectangle for yourself. Where's
Yep.
the last gold bar that was created before the move down to your left?
This one.
Nope. Down,
Sorry. Say that
down to your
again.
left.
Down to my left.
Yeah, up one gold bar to your left. Gold
That
bar.
one.
No, to your left. To your
Oh, over
left.
here.
No, Brian. You were right there.
Yeah.
Up one gold bar straight. That one right there. Draw a rectangle across there.
Yeah.
Boom. Look at that. So all this time it's worked up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now it's come back to the 618, can't beat it. Push down, didn't make a new low, didn't beat that
No.
brick down there with no wick,
Yeah, correct. That one. Yeah.
pulled back up, created a wick, can't beat that one at the
Yeah.
618, stopped at the
Yeah.
50, can't beat the last Tuesday box across the top, and now we're pushing down. So my entry is here at that wick that it's heading
This
towards.
this one just here.
That's right. So I'm expecting this to pull back up, touch the 50 with a wick, or somewhere within this area right here, this small
Right.
little area,
Okay.
and then
There.
take off down.
Yeah, because that's what it's saying. And the weekly or the daily. Well, the weekly's not. Yeah. in perspective, it's going down, but from a weekly perspective, not a lot. But there's a lot. It's a lot on a 2 hour.
Right.
It show you. That doesn't seem a lot, but on the 2 hour, that's a lot.
How many pips is that?
No. Down like nearly 300.
Nearly 300. I
Yeah.
will live with that torture.
Yeah. It's
So
torture.
I know when it gets down there, there's a good chance down here that it's going to reverse
Yeah.
and not create another low because everything else
Yeah.
is saying
You can see it
it's
over
going to want to
there.
go back up,
Up. Yeah.
you know? So each day
All
I
right.
look at the
All right.
weekly, work at the
All right.
daily, and then the 2 hour.
Hang on. Oop.
Now, because it left that candle with no wick, there is a chance you're going to run that it's going to turn around and come back up and sniper that wick. That's a chance I'm willing to take.
Which wiki you talking about?
See where that gold bar is right now, where it created it? The
Yeah.
gold bar to your left. There's no wick.
Yeah.
So this could push down, not beat the wick that you just put your entry at,
Oh,
turn
below.
around,
I
pull
put it
back up.
below.
It could
Yeah.
turn around, pull back up, take that liquidity.
Yeah.
In fact, if you'll notice, there's a gold bar to your left of that has no wick on it
Yeah.
either.
Yeah.
To your left,
Yeah.
to your left, to your left,
Um, left and up or
left
down?
gold bar up, left gold bar up, left, left.
That is left.
No, left, further left. Go
Over
left.
here.
Yeah, there's no wick there, right?
Uh, no, there's no wick anywhere there.
Okay. Is there any other candle in there that has, nope, see those two wicks right there? It got that gold bar.
These ones.
Yeah, right there. So the only wick it missed is this gold bar sitting over here by itself with no wick.
Yeah.
So there is a possibility that this will come down to the bottom of this wick, turn, pull back up, create a wick, knock that out, and then come down.
Well,
So just
well,
keep an eye on it. If it
I'm
forms
willing,
another gold bar and starts,
willing to take that chance just at the moment.
yeah, me too. So am I, because I'm thinking this is going to drop. So even if it does create a brick down here and turn around and come back up, don't be afraid to get into it again for the sell. You just got in early.
Yeah, I know. 603. I'll put a stop on it. It's 17. It's only 17 pips away from me. Okay. 81907. Okay.
So now you see your Tuesday box you put on there
Yeah.
and it couldn't beat it.
Yeah.
Now drop it to the next Tuesday box. Not that one. Not that one. That's your 50% box. Go left.
Hang on. Hang on. Yeah.
You see your gold bar of where it's at now for the last Tuesday box to your left?
That one.
To your left. Hard left. Way, way hard. Yeah. Over, over, over. Over, over, over to your left.
Further.
Yeah. No. Go back.
Uh,
You see your Tuesday box?
no, I don't.
The
This
Tuesday
one.
box. Yes, that's the Tuesday
Okay,
box. Do you see the
yeah,
gold bar underneath it?
this one or this one?
That one, the one at the bottom.
Oh, that one.
Right.
Yeah,
Drag your box down. And the top too. You just want that one brick. Perfect. Okay. So as you can see, all the blues above it?
yeah, yeah, and all the yeah, and we bought
And now
well
you
all of those. Yeah,
that's right. And if you'll notice, that's the 50% bar running across the top, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So when this pulls back, I'm looking for a wick into this bar or a brick underneath it, and
yeah,
then a push out.
yeah.
Hey, Darren.
Mr. EA's here.
Sorry,
Uh-oh,
I just got tied up with something. Couldn't.
that's all right.
I've just finished.
Cable ties or proper rope or
No, nothing. Nothing as dramatic as that. Just busy with
okay,
something.
okay, no worries.
Just see how we're doing.
No, we're just looking through some pairs. We're getting down down to
Yeah,
these. So what Tom's looking at is with the Renkos, he's now starting to look at, well, not starting, he's been doing it for a while. He looks at the weekly and the green line, and looks at the daily and the green line, and then the 2 hour with the green line. And they all have to be going in the same direction or he won't take a trade on the 2 hour.
uh,
That's
trading,
what that's what
trading
I've
with the
gleaned.
trend.
Trading with the trend. The old friend of the trend.
Yeah,
Uh,
the trend is
um,
your friend until the end.
till it turns,
That's
yeah.
a fact, Jack.
Yeah,
Um, Darren, I've been looking at some videos for the EA Academy, prop firm or FOREX. They have
yeah,
this group of them. It's obviously something in the background, like they have all these different EAs that they use, and you can change, and it shows you like 10 different pairs and how they've been performing, and you
yeah.
can change it from this to that to this to that, or add them or whatever. You have you looked at that or
Well, in terms of
we'll have a look at it in a minute. I'm just
funded accounts, you mean?
prop firms or funded, yeah.
I've not looked at prop firms, but funded. Yeah, I mean, you can. Because you get a number of licenses with each of these EAs, usually, you
No,
can.
but this is not an EA out directly. I'll
Right.
show you in a minute.
All right.
It's
Okay.
not a particular EA. It's
All right.
this
Okay.
EA Academy that sort of run these EAs in the background that you can
Yeah.
pick and choose. It's actually quite interesting.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's just finish these pairs and then we can go through. Okay, NZD So here's we'll go back here. Oh no, yeah. So we'll do weekly. Let's go. Chart. Right. So that's got it coming up. No good. And daily going up. And the 2 hour going down. So it's against
I'm not in this.
no. Well, obviously not if they're not all in agreement.
Right?
Okay. NZDJPY. 2 hours going down. The weekly is going up. Daily is going down. Not in agreement. Okay. NU, we got a down. On the weekly, it is an up. And on the daily is an up. All right. So they've all got to be, all right. Singapore Japanese yen. It's down on the 2 hour. Oh, come on, weekly. What's it doing? Oh, nothing. Hang on. Daily. Daily going up. What's the weekly? Oh, no, it doesn't like the weekly for some reason. Doesn't matter. You don't trade that anyway. So, All right, USD CAD, what's it doing? You reckon it's going up on the weekly is going down, daily is going up. Again, not an agreement across the board. Okay, USD CHF is pretty easy to look at. That's a down, that's a down, and that's an up. Trying to get them all in agreement is a bit interesting. Okay, UJ. That's going to be a down. What we got here? Up on the weekly and the daily is up. So the 2 hour, just got to wait for that pull back, and then maybe they'll all be on the same page. Okay, USD Singapore. All right, go up. Weekly down, daily up. Still not. Okay. And gold is. So have you heard, Darren, what's happened with the White House meeting? I haven't heard a damn thing yet because apparently it
Well,
happened, Tom said.
yeah, I think something. Zelensky says he and Trump discussed Ukraine security guarantees in best talks yet.
Oh, yeah, sure. No. Security, it's not talking about getting their land back, but anyway.
I mean, the way that meeting with Putin, the way he had the red carpet rolled out for him, and
Yeah.
compared to the way Zelensky was treated so appallingly when he
Yeah.
went, so it's just quite disgraceful, really.
Yeah. Well, from
Completely
democratic countries, we're all going, you're a bunch of bloody anarchists. So they reckon oil will probably go back up again, maybe. Anyway, well, that's interesting. Yeah. So now where have I got this thing? Hang on.
Well, he was complimented on his suit by a reporter, apparently.
Who was?
Zelensky. When he got
Oh,
nice not
God.
wearing a suit last time.
Here we go. Hang on a minute. Come back to here. Just share this. You right, Tom?
Hmm?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So this is sort of like for ready to use prop firm robot apps. So what I find it, like this is a 1 year or lifetime access type thing. And he talks about them here, how to use it. But basically, where is it? Robots, no software. Okay. Top 10 robot apps. So basically, run the top 3 robots on a live account. Oh, it's hard to explain. Where is it? Different strategies. Hmm. So basically, what you're doing is you're getting access into. Um, Maybe I've got to go through to the live thing and where is it? I can't remember now. Sorry. Um, Hey, you see, these are this sort of top 10 robot apps. I'm trying to find it. EA Studio robots there. Maybe it's that one. Can't remember. Anyway, oh yeah, here we go. So basically, this is like the you just basically buy into it, right? And then what happens is you can have out of sample, which is like what they suggest it might do or not or whatever. That's okay. So what they're saying is sort of by drawdown percentage, right? I've done that. So this is like a 5% drawdown with a stop loss and factor. And you can actually customize it. So I've got it like 10,000 account, maximum loss 1,000, no daily, and a profit of 10%, right? So then all you do is you just download that MT5 file for this to trade on GBP JPY on the 5 minute.
It's all set up on that MT5 ready.
It's all set up, ready to rock and roll.
Yeah.
And you just run it. And then
Cool.
this tells you like this is on the 1 year. You can take it to the 1 day if you want a weekly, monthly, whatever it is, right? And then basically it just sets them all up. Like this is a drawdown of 14% on this one, but a profit factor of that. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Quite interesting. But the point is, you can't buy it. It's a weird setup. If you go here, oh no, I can't. You can't even communicate with them. I don't know how they. Where are they? Prop robots. Here we go. Yeah, prop robots. No, you got those. So yeah, see, prop and robots developed by EA. Buy now, right? That's all cool. And then I go buy now, nothing happens. You can't. It won't. It won't actually buy.
Oh, that is.
And you can't contact them to say what the.
Let me have a look.
Yeah, that builds trust.
Yeah, of course it does.
Hey,
Not.
it's 1 o'clock. I gotta roll,
Oh,
guys.
you
I'll
got
see
to
you
go.
guys
See you
tomorrow.
later. Yeah, no worries, Tom. Bye. See you, mate.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Thanks.
See ya.
Anyway,
Let's have a look. Procter and robots. Maybe it's just a glitch on the website. I don't know.
it doesn't work for you either.
They're getting the same thing.
Yeah, no, that's okay. I'm just that's not the one. What am I doing back here? So yeah, so basically you can change. You basically can trade this, and then like tomorrow you can dump it and then put something else on, or
Yeah.
you can trade a number of them.
Yeah.
Like this was only, I think yesterday when I looked at this, there was a drawdown was only 3% or something. But yeah, no, interesting.
Oh, it is. So many.
So they must operate this somehow. They have a number of ones they have themselves or whatever. They must be and then they must somehow allow you to, well, somehow hook in for you to be able to use them somehow through. It's confusing, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, I think a snippet I read or somewhere that the top 10 as well, they update that. So every week they review it, and if appropriate, they might drop one of
Yeah.
the EAs and put the one in there.
Yeah, well, you see, has it got down here? No, it doesn't have it. On the other, I think it does. It has a video that he has. Where is it? That one, is it? Yeah, there's a video with him talking about it, how to use it. Hmm. And then I just watched a video this morning before I came on where he had 5 EAs or something to run on small accounts. He was saying
Yeah.
anything from 200 to 1,000.
Yeah.
Interesting. But yeah, so
There's so many options, so many
yeah, yeah.
really.
But the diversification is really the clue to it, though.
Yeah, I think that's important. You don't put too much into too few. Because if you've got your account spread over four, for example, you just got it spread over four EAs, and one of them blows. That's 25. That's a quarter of
Yeah, yeah.
your money, isn't it? But if it's
Yeah, but you've got, but also too, want to put safeguards in place for all
oh
of that
yeah,
as well,
I'm
though.
not saying you would let that happen, but I'm just
Yeah.
very
Well,
just
if you don't know what you're doing, that could quite easily
yeah,
happen.
just for sort of to
So,
illustrate the point, really. So if you've got 10 of them and one of them goes wrong, it's only a tenth that's
yeah.
that's affected rather than a quarter of your trading pot. So yeah, I mean, I've got quite a few running now. I will look to um, gradually add a few more, and then so I've got a nice, really nice spread. So
Mm. Well, that's good. I mean, I agree with you too. I mean, I think something like I still want to trade myself as well, but having something that also has your cake and you're able to eat it too,
yeah,
is the way I think it's good. As long as you come across something that actually has a track record of some positive results. I like the fact that EA Academy trial them themselves and put them onto this, and then they also assist to a certain extent with the setup files and what's
yeah.
going to work best, they suppose will work best. But anyway, okay.
All right,
I
excellent.
I got to go as well. Sorry.
Okay.
So everything's running okay, sharpshooter and all the rest of it.
Yeah, seems to be. Sharpshooters in a spot of drawdown today, but about 0.5%.
Oh, dear
Nothing,
me.
nothing to get
Nothing
excited
dramatic.
about.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Um, and FX prop, that's the Euro USD, still stuck in.
It's still stuck.
Yeah, yeah,
It also trades the AUD USD though, doesn't it?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And that's where it's getting its profit from.
It is. It is at the moment. Well, it's stuck in Euro USD, and it's not moved much. It's ranging from sort of 4 to sort of 6% drawdown, just fluctuating without
Yeah, well,
really.
that's the type of thing that you don't have on a funded or a prop firm account. You got to have that on your personal.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah,
then again, it has the propensity to have a larger sort of profit out of it though
yeah,
too.
yeah,
But there's also the risk.
yeah,
All
yeah.
right, then, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll update you as I keep going, just researching the other. So I don't know. I can't get in contact with EA Academy to go, what's wrong with the button? It's like there's
No,
no.
it's not. I mean, you can open a free account, can't you? Set up an account. Have you done that?
No.
There's a button where it says account.
Okay, hang on. I'll go.
Um,
Hang on.
so I don't know if there's a
Where are
help
we?
thing there.
Uh, for account. Yeah, you can have an account. Yeah, but don't you have to?
No, that's the VIP account. You have to pay for that, but I think you can just have an ordinary account. Um,
Oh, you can register. Oh, yeah.
yeah. So I'm just logging in now. Just see if there's any help. I'm just gonna see if there's any help. Addresses, prop firm, download, subscription orders, dashboard.
Okay, I just track this. Oh,
Yeah, I
God.
can't see any help.
No, I can't see anything. There's no way. So what I'll do is I'll register, see if I can do that. Thank you, Darren. Yeah, that's a good way. Oh, register going to work? The register button doesn't work.
All right, I've just logged in, okay, but I can't see any.
Oh,
So there's a bit of a glitch on the contact us.
oh, there we go. Activate account. Oh yeah, it did it. It was just
Well,
like,
there is a support at the bottom of the page. Contact us.
yeah, when you log in, it does.
Yeah, and there's email and there's a forum as well.
Okay, hang on.
eatrading.com/forum. Oh yeah, there's lots of people sort of posting in there. So yeah, so you can. So yeah, I think if
Okay.
you register, get accounts, a free
Yeah,
account.
yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, then you get access to there's a forum, and then there's a you can contact them by email as well.
Right, okay. Yeah, I'm just
So there's a
uh,
general discussion thread in the forum.
is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you might find something in there.
Here I am. Do
Various
this.
discussion threads about different, some of the different EAs.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, password successful. Okay, lovely.
They've got there's a 200k funded account
Here we go.
running on
Okay.
Happy Forex.
So now it's got there, also download, how do I go there? Where did you go to? Where did you go to?
Scroll down to get in touch.
Oh, hang on. Where have I got to go? Trading Academy. Okay. Let's see. I've logged in, so that's okay. Okay. There's a whole heap of key going on there now. Once you're logged in, oh my God.
You
Hang
scroll right
on.
down to contact us, right at the bottom of the
Yeah, yeah,
page.
yeah, yeah. Got that.
Click on contact us.
Oh, yeah, there's an email there. Okay.
An email, but there's also
Yeah, but when you're not logged in, you can't see that email, so that's all right.
so you can email or there's a trading forum as well.
Forum. Yeah, no worries at all.
Yeah.
No, got that. All right. That was very nice. Thank you very much for that help. I hadn't thought of it. I thought, if you've got to register, it means that you're going to have to,
Yeah.
but that's okay. No worries. Lovely. I'll get on to them and go, hey, I can't
Okay.
do that.